Welcome and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today, guys, I am taking you to groom my son, my boy, for summertime, for those days, for the summer days. I to find that summer bad. So, okay. So, guys, I found this company online called Puppify. So this company, they actually come to your door, guys. Hey, they bring services to your door. So I was like, I will let me try them out and see ukuthi bazoyenzani for my boy. So guys, take along. Sibone ukuthi labantu baphethe ini kahle kahle. Cheers. Yo, guys, no more shedding. No more shedding in the house. I am so happy. I am proud. The results are good for me. I am so happy. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and if you like to hire this company, you can just drop a comment down below and I'll respond back to you. But in all, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. YouTube doesn't pay me, so please support. Thank you so much and enjoy. Bye.